Hi, welcome to Slay the Spider. I'm Jim B, and I'm the creator and host of Slay the Spider. Shares of the S&P 500 are called S&P Depository Receipts, SPDRs. Spiders. Slay the Spider means I intend to beat the S&P 500 quite substantially. For the week ending September 16, 2022, the markets had another bad week. In healthcare, biomedical, healthcare, and drugs all declined. In media communications, internet declined and crossed to the bear side. Media declined, and on the bear side, telephones declined. In technology, electronics, software, computers, and semiconductors all declined. In consumer discretionary, restaurants and gaming advanced. Retail, leisure, autos, household products declined. In the financials, Wall Street, real estate, and insurance declined. Savings and loans, banks, and finance were all unchanged. In the industrials, waste management, machinery tools, aero defense, chemicals, and building products declined. On the bear side, steel and metals both declined. In the others group, electric utilities, business products, transports, textiles, and protection and safety all declined. On the bear side, oil, gas utilities, and food declined. Oil services, precious metals, and forest products were all unchanged. For the week ending 9/16, 6 sectors were unchanged, 2 sectors advanced, 32 sectors declined, 1 crossed to the bear side, none crossed to the bull side. There's now 28 on the bull side and 12 on the bear side. Overall, the market score declined from 28 to 19. For the week ending September 16th, 2022, the S&P 500 closed at 3873, down 106 points, or 2.68%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at 30,822, down 759 points, or 2.4%. And NASDAQ closed at 11,448, down 343.5 points, or 2.91%. This week, 255 stocks went from a buy signal to a sell signal. There were 2 fewer listings. There are now 31% of stocks on buy signals and 69% on sell signals. Overall, our market score changed from 28 last week to 19. In summary, most all the sectors were down sharply this week. For the first 37 weeks of 2022, the S&P 500 is down 18.7%, and NASDAQ is down 26.2%. Energy, the best performing sector, is up 44.41% year to date. For the first 37 weeks of 2022, healthcare is down 9.3%. Media communication is the worst, down 32.2%. Technology is down 25.6% year to date. Consumer discretionary stocks are down 22.75%. Finance is down 14.6% for the year. The industrials have lost 13.9% for the year. Real estate's down 22.1%, and basic materials are down 19.6% year to date. For the past week, September 9th to 16th, the S&P 500 was down 4.6% for the week. NASDAQ lost 5.5%. Energy was down 2.9%. Healthcare was the best performing sector. It was only down 2.3%. Media communications was down 6.3%. Tech sector lost 6.2%. Consumer discretionary stocks were down 4% for the week. The financial stocks were down 3.8%. The industrials lost 6.4%. Real estate was down 6.3%. And the worst performing sector was basic materials, down 6.6%. For the week ending September 16th, the 10-year Treasury bond yields ended at 3.448%, up another 12 basis points, same as last week. For the week ending September 16th, West Texas Intermediate crude closed at 85.40, down $1.39 or 1.6% this week. For the past 3 months, West Texas Intermediate is down $32.19 or 27%. Year to date, WTI is up from $75.69 on January 1st to $86.79, or up 12.8%. West Texas Intermediate is 10.8% below the closing price the day before the Russian invasion of Ukraine began on February 28th. Now that the deal Biden made with the Saudis to increase production for 2 months is over, I'm sensing the price of West Texas Intermediate is bottoming since the Saudis reduced production in early September. For the week ending September 16th, wholesale gasoline RBOB closed at $2.41.6, down 1.4 cents or a 0.5% this week. The 3-month change is down $1.54 or 39%. Year to date, RBOB opened the year at $2.24, rose to $2.79 before the Russian invasion. Then it went to $4.32 in June. It's since declined to $2.42, up just over 10% year to date. For the week ending September 16th, natural gas closed at $7.81.4, down 17.9 cents or 2.24% this week. Year to date, natural gas is up 109% from $3.70 to $7.81. It's up 71% since the end of June through August 31st. That's the low season, and you can expect your heating bills to be about double what they were last year. Here's a year-to-date chart comparing crude oil, wholesale gasoline, and natural gas. Nat gas is up 109%, crude is up 13.5%, and gasoline is up 8.4% year to date. As I said in my newsletter last week, natural gas is the problem, and it's going to drive inflation starting this next month. And you can expect, if you heat your house with natural gas, you're going to see double what you had for monthly bills last year, or perhaps even higher. Subscriptions are available for $12 a month on an annual contract or $15 a month on a month-to-month contract. I've been producing the Slay the Spider Circle since 1998 and using it to manage private client assets. I've been nearly completely out of stocks for the past year. My portfolio performance is now well ahead of the S&P 500, and NASDAQ indices since I went into cash. That's the total idea behind SPiDeR. Outperform the indexes in both up and down markets. Now is an excellent example of cash beating the market substantially. I'm looking forward to buying many of the stocks I owned previously at prices well below what I sold them for last year. I will then own more shares going forward, in some cases twice as many. Sure, there were a few stocks I wish I had kept, but in total, I'm more than happy avoiding this bear market.